Okay, so this is a tutorial for teachers on how to use Educreations. So when you go to educreations.com, this is what will come up. It's really easy to sign up. You just obviously would click teacher sign up, and then you just put in first and last name and an email. I'm actually going to log into another account that I already have created. So after you created an account, you would just log in. And so when you first log in, the first thing it would ask you to do is create a class. This is where it would bring you if you had just signed up. So you would create your class. So let's say I am teaching Algebra 1, and you can select the subject area and then specify even more grade level. We'll say 9th, and you can add a description and then create the class. And so this is your class. Obviously right now we have 0 members, which means 0 students because we just created it. But right here is the class code. And so this is the code that you would give to students, and then when they log in as a student user, they would enter this code and then automatically be listed as a student in this class. And so after students start doing that, you can see a list of all of your students right here. Their names will just pop up after they enter that code. And so then your next thing you would want to do would be to add lessons to this class. So these are videos that you create using Educreations that you would want your students to watch. So you would click this add lessons, and it will bring up any lesson you have created. And so these are just some different fraction lessons I created a long time ago, but let's say I wanted to add, I don't know, this one looks like adding with different denominators. And so I would click add selected, and so then it would be added and it would show up here under this class, and so any student listed here would have access to that video. And it actually, Educreations does not let you create the videos, the lessons on the computer. You have to do it on an iPad. So you would just search for Educreations in the App Store, and then it's really simple. I'll play a little bit of this one just to kind of show you. And so I'm not really sure if you can hear the audio, but basically on an iPad you would just use your finger and you can draw anything. So obviously I just wrote these fractions, and you can underline, you can use different colors, and add and erase and all that, just as you would on any other drawing app. And then once you finish it, and you press that save button, it just automatically shows up here in your My Lessons, and then you can add to different classes, and you can have multiple classes on your account. So yeah, it's really simple and really nice to have if you have maybe like a flipped classroom, or you just your students have iPads, or you think it would be nice to have your lessons on a computer or an iPad for your students to watch either at home or in the classroom. So yeah, I hope that is helpful.